Okay, so if we go 5 minus 9 times 5, that's going to be 5 minus 45. So we're really going to get minus 40. Now if we go negative 2 minus 9 times negative 2, that's going to be like negative 2 plus 18, which is going to give you 16. And then finally 0 minus 9 times negative 1, that's like 0 plus 9, which is going to give us 9. Okay, what about the second row? Well, if we add row 3 to row 2 3 times, we're going to get 0, 1, and then 0, because negative 3 plus 3 times 1 is 0. We'll have negative 2 plus 3 times 5, that's going to be negative 2 plus 15, which is going to be 13. 1 plus 3 times negative 2 is going to be 1 minus 6, which is negative 5. And then we have 0 plus 3 times negative 1, which is going to be 0 plus negative 3. And then our third row won't change. So we'll have 0, 0, 1, 5, negative 2, and negative 1. So here's what we now know. We now know that this piece over here is A inverse. That's really how this works, because the inversion algorithm says that whatever sequence of row operations carries any matrix A to the identity, so this was A over here, and it carried it to the identity, then it must also carry the identity matrix to A inverse. Right? That's this part here. So that's why we can say now, therefore, let's summarize our answer. Let's say, therefore, A inverse is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, negative 40, 16, 9, 13, negative 5, negative 3, and then 5, negative 2, and negative 1. And that's how you would finish one of these off. So by the way, just a comment, I'm writing this just to try to outline our logic and what we're doing and just make it clear how I got to this step. But writing this down is not a substitute for actually summarizing the answer. The question says find the inverse of A, which is this matrix. Our answer should be of the form A inverse is equal to, and then we actually want to give the matrix that it's equal to. Okay, so this is your work for getting there, but you have to give your answer separately. But that's how you can do it. So that's how the inversion algorithm works. In the next video, we'll look at why it works.